What's up, guys? We're here at the garage.
Okay, so trying to put a drift button in the Subaru. They don't make them. Julio bought this random one. Doesn't work. Can't use it. Can't use it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the drill and we're gonna push this in. We're gonna drill a little hole through here. And we're gonna be able to stick a nail in. The nail's gonna be removable, so if I want to just normal parking brake, that's fine. And then when I want to drift, put the nail in. Skirt, skirt, skirt! Like right there, yeah?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Ah, shit. Oh, yep.
Okay.
That's through. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Wow.
Well,
Looks like the button got stuck.
drift button is working well.
Just like yank it a bunch and hit it.
Ah, shit. Did not go as planned. Well, my day worked, guys. Yeah, so Julio pried it out, so. Look at that. My stocky brake works. I'm gonna push it in. Push it in. Oh, drift e-brake. Okay. So now I'm gonna drill a little bit more so that the nail goes and lies flat. It's not like okay. It's been done. It's not great, but there. There's my drift button, guys. And then when you're done with it, just walk it out. Just like
Jesus Christ.
this. Piece of cake.
Did you get it out?
Nope, not yet.
Oh man.
It's just, we don't have as easy of a life as you 240 people. There we go. Stocky brake, drift button. Naomi's Ghetto Garage 1.0. This is the first one. Most of my shit's legit. Not this. And not that.
Show off your new gauge.
My new gauge, so I know how blown up my motor is already. Ooh. So cool. So cool. Wait, is this going on YouTube?